So you've made some money on Coinbase, congrats. But before you go on a celebratory shopping spree, you gotta get that cash out. And that, my friends, is where the question everyone forgets arises: how much does Coinbase charge for withdrawals? Fear not, crypto comrades, because that's exactly what we're here to break down today. We'll unveil the mysteries of Coinbase withdrawal fees, explore the free options, yes, there are some, and navigate the world of network fees. Now, Coinbase itself doesn't charge any fees for moving your fiat currency, fancy talk for regular money like USD or Euro, in and out. That means those bank transfers and ACH deposits you make? Completely free. But what about when you want to move your actual cryptocurrency holdings? This is where things get interesting. Coinbase charges two main types of withdrawal fees. Fixed fees, these are set by Coinbase and depend on the withdrawal method you choose. For instance, a wire transfer might cost $25, whereas sending money through ACH is free. Network fees, this is where things get a little more technical. Every cryptocurrency has its own blockchain, a digital ledger that keeps track of all transactions. These transactions require computing power to verify, and that power costs money. That's where network fees come in. Miners, the computers that validate transactions, charge fees to process your withdrawal. Now, Coinbase estimates the network fees for you based on current traffic. However, the actual fee might be slightly higher or lower depending on how busy the blockchain is. The good news is Coinbase always shows you the estimated network fee before you confirm your withdrawal, so no surprises there. Here's the real kicker: not all cryptocurrencies on Coinbase have network fees. USDC, for example, is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Coinbase actually covers the network fees for USDC withdrawals, making it a very attractive option if you're looking to avoid those pesky miner charges. On the flip side, some cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, are notorious for having high network fees. These fees can fluctuate depending on demand, so it's always a good idea to check the current rates before you move your Bitcoin. Pro tip alert: if you're dealing with high network fees, you can wait for a time when the blockchain isn't as congested. This usually means late at night or during off-peak hours. Now, there are ways to potentially reduce these network fees. Some wallets allow you to set your own fee when withdrawing cryptocurrency. However, this comes with a risk. If you set the fee too low, your transaction might take a very long time to confirm, or worse, it might not get confirmed at all. Coinbase also offers a premium service called Coinbase Pro. This platform caters to more experienced traders and offers lower trading fees, including potentially lower network fees on withdrawals. But is it worth it? That depends on your trading volume. If you're a casual crypto investor, the standard Coinbase fees are probably just fine. But if you're a high-volume trader, the potential savings on Coinbase Pro might be worth the upgrade. Here's the bottom line: Coinbase doesn't charge any fees for withdrawing your fiat currency, but there can be fees associated with withdrawing cryptocurrency. These fees are a combination of Coinbase's fixed fees and the network fees charged by the specific cryptocurrency's blockchain. USDC is a great option to avoid network fees, while for other currencies, you might want to consider waiting for off-peak hours or exploring platforms like Coinbase Pro. Remember, knowledge is power in the crypto world. By understanding these fees, you can make informed decisions about how to move your crypto holdings and avoid any nasty surprises. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto trading.